In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find completed sprints in Jira. Navigating through Jira to find your completed sprints can at first seem a bit daunting. However, with a systematic approach, it can be made much simpler. Whether you're looking to analyze past performance or simply need to reference completed work, accessing your project's completed sprints is an essential skill for any Jira user. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Jira account. Once logged in, direct yourself to your project's page. This can be done easily by locating your project under the Your Work or Projects tab on the main navigation bar of Jira. Clicking on your project will take you to its overview page. Upon arriving at your project's main page, glance over to the left-hand sidebar for the Project Settings option. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Clicking Project Settings will take you deeper into the configuration and setup of your specific project. Inside the Project Settings, you're going to want to look for the Features section. This is where Jira allows you to enable or disable various functionalities for your project. Go ahead and click on Features to proceed. Now we're getting to the good part. Within Features, you'll find several options, but what you're interested in is the Reports feature. This might be turned off by default depending on how your project is set up. If it is, you'll see a toggle next to it. Click this toggle to turn on the Reports feature. This action makes reporting tools, including those for viewing completed sprints, available to you. After activating the Reports feature, Jira will automatically take you back to the Project Settings dashboard. However, what we're looking for now is the project's main page again. To return, either use the back button in your browser or look for the Back to Project option at the bottom of the sidebar. Back on the project's main page, we're now going to direct our attention to the Reports section. You can find it easily on the left-hand sidebar. Once there, you'll be greeted with a variety of reporting options that Jira offers. At this point, you're free to explore and select the type of report you'd like to view. There are many valuable reports that Jira provides to help you analyze different aspects of your project's performance. For the purpose of this example, let's focus on finding completed sprints. We'll be using the cumulative flow diagram as it gives a great visual representation of the work items in your project across all sprints, showing clearly what has been completed. Click on the cumulative flow diagram or any other report that suits your need to generate the report. Each report in Jira offers different insights, so feel free to explore other reports as needed. Some additional tips for effectively using reports in Jira include regularly checking these reports to monitor your team's progress and health of your project, playing around with different filters in the reports to get the exact data you're looking for, and utilizing the export feature on reports to share insights with stakeholders or to archive your project's progress for future reference. Remember, Jira's powerful suite of reporting tools is there to help you make informed decisions about your project's direction and health. Taking the time to understand and interpret these reports can significantly impact your project's success. And that's it for today's video. Accessing and understanding completed sprints in Jira might seem complex at first, but with the step-by-step process we walked through today, you'll be able to leverage Jira's reporting tools to get a comprehensive overview of your project's progress and past sprints. Don't forget to practice navigating through these steps to become more proficient and make the most out of Jira's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.